Welcome, friends! Wanna hunt for the best deals together? Subscribe to join me and check links below. Think a wall-mounted heater can't double as a silent nightstand companion, yet this unit proves otherwise. Early field data shows the ECO thermostat quietly trims power draw, with several accounts noting a 30% dip in electricity bills while maintaining a comfortable 41 to 95 degrees Fahrenheit indoor range. The remote-controlled LED panel then adds a layer of convenience, as patterns reveal families setting the 24-hour timer before bedtime and waking to evenly dispersed warmth thanks to the 60, 90, and 120-degree oscillation angles. Safety signals are equally strong. The child lock and multiple protections kept tiny hands safe, while the after-sale service team responded within 24 hours, reinforcing confidence. Verdict: ideal for eco-conscious homeowners who crave effortless, whole-room heat without sacrificing safety or silence.